I'm going to say this once and for all, probably not going to be the last time, but dropshipping is not dead. And in today's video, we're going to be going over this store that did over $1 million a month with the dropshipping model. And I'm also going to be sharing with you a couple other things that are going to be very valuable for you. I'm a man of the people. You guys wanted me to do more reviews on actual dropshipping businesses that are popping off. So in this video, that's what we're going to do. But first, I want to just shout out my team at Aemi and this particular client that we're working with, because TikTok Shop is getting pretty insane, guys. We did nearly a 20K day yesterday through just TikTok Shop ads, and these guys did an extra 50K on top of that through going viral organically, which is pretty unbelievable. Super excited to be in the front seat of this growth. So if any of you out there have a brand that you want help scaling, make sure that you go to Ecommerce.co and apply in our form. You can also find it in the description to work with us. But let's get right into it. The store that I'm talking about is called, it's called techwearoutfits.com, which is a really good domain name. But the store itself, or the brand rather, is called Shadow, but with a backwards A, or actually it's a normal A, but then an X for the O. This is very clean. These guys are dope. So what they sell is what they're called. They sell tech wear products, so tech wear clothing. If you don't know what that is, it's a particular niche that sort of resembles like a cyberpunk style. These guys are doing it so well. And the reason I know that they're dropshipping is because on store leads, I'm able to filter by different apps that they have installed, and one of the apps that they have installed on their store is actually the De-essers app, which is an AliExpress dropshipping app. And I will say, AliExpress is actually really incentivizing dropshippers to go on the platform. They even have a business center now with exclusive deals, exclusive opportunities with suppliers and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. So this is such a great example of how you should be, how you can take a concept and really brand it into something massive. Because as you see here, this is just so well done. Like, the branding and vibe of this store is super well done, and that's why they're successful to this extent. Now, let me show you here real quick. They are running some really awesome ads. Basically, dropshipping ads, it's kind of exactly what you would imagine, but some of these are really good. So for example, this one, let me share it with you. Techwear Shadow, like, the animation's really good. It's a little folder that you click and boom, it shows you the actual products. This is very well done. It's actually a simple setup. Most of their ads are actually just image ads. So as you see, this one's a carousel, but with the products highlighted, kind of like how people break down outfits. Such a smart idea. And obviously they have all those products on the store, which is cool. Very well done. They have a discount, free shipping, and that's kind of it. So they're not really running a ton of ads because they have some really great winners, but they're all image ads, like I said. And that's what's great about fashion, is that you can test image ads. But this is good inspiration for you guys out there that don't want to test videos. Test images. Just make sure that they're really good and eye-catching. I mean, these are super eye-catching and very well done, right? So make the standard high. Yes, if you're going to test images, do it, but just put in a little bit of effort into them. Use Canva. Canva is actually great for designing images, and they have AI tools on there that you can use that are so powerful, so you don't even need any graphic design skills in order to make decent ads nowadays. Now, they do have a TikTok where they're posting a bunch of content. I'm not sure exactly how they're getting this content. It could be literally from the supplier that they have, but it could also just be, just influencers that they're working with. That's probably more likely the way that they're getting this, but it's really well done. Like, they're so good at creating this vibe, which is pretty cool. I think these guys are maybe in Europe or something, or maybe shipping. They're shipping worldwide, obviously, but they're doing a very great job at creating this brand identity, and that's why they're popping off. Even though their views aren't crazy, you can go really far with ads if you can create a really cool experience like this. So yeah, let's look at the landing pages real quick. I want to see this high collar hoodie. This is actually really cool. It's a cool hoodie, and it's $80. And you can see some nice conversion optimization things here. So free shipping, that's nice. That probably increases conversions. Bestseller, save 11%. You can pay in installments, etc. So yeah, super well done. Extremely simple landing page, but it has all these little conversion optimization tidbits that you love to see. You know, they're not driving as much traffic as before. It makes sense, right? Like the biggest months for these kinds of brands are Q4. So, you know, it's totally normal that their traffic is down a bit, but Store Leads does suggest that they've done $1 million months, and I totally believe it, especially with their average order value and just how well designed the store is. Real quick, I do need to ask you for a favor. If you could just go to the link in the description, we're beta testing our automated Shopify store builder. So if you go down there, you can use it for absolutely free and get a customized Shopify store with products in 12 minutes. It's pretty cool, but it's still in beta testing. So make sure you use it and let me know what you think about it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. See you in the next one. Peace.